Everglades Challenge, Day 4. Some of the pithy comments have dried up. Mine's a little, well, it's not as sharp. 260 miles down, 40 miles to go. This is Whitewater Bay. It's just at the tip of Florida. Right over that horizon out there is Cape Sable, the very southwest corner of Florida. It's a beautiful little lake, or bay, or whatever it is. And what's our plan? We are right there. It is about 4:28. We plan on getting on the other side of this map about 15 more miles in the next 7 or 8 hours. We've been working a little headwind, as you can see. And we have a quarter-mile portage with our boat and all our gear. Get a few hours sleep, and then by 5 a.m. near Slackwater, follow the flood of the bay in to the finish line. 25 more miles across Florida Bay. Okay, this is Iron Bob and the Juice. Sign out.